New drivers lack essential car ownership knowledge. Study reveals a recent study indicates that a significant proportion of newly licensed drivers feel unprepared for the practical realities of car ownership, extending beyond road skills to include maintenance, insurance, and vehicle upkeep. The findings raise questions about the comprehensiveness of current driving education and the potential for preventable accidents due to a lack of basic vehicle knowledge. The confidence gap. Beyond road skills data from private plate supplier RigTransfers reveals that while most new drivers feel confident behind the wheel, approximately 1 in 10% admit to lacking understanding in essential areas like insurance, servicing, and tire maintenance. Over 11% rated their confidence below 50% when asked about broader car ownership responsibilities, suggesting a disconnect between passing the driving test and being fully prepared for vehicle ownership. This gap in knowledge isn't merely about convenience, it has demonstrable safety implications. The AA recorded over 620,000 tire faults in 2024, with defective brakes contributing to 750 casualties and worn tires causing 491. Alarmingly, nearly half of drivers don't know how to check tire manufacturing dates, highlighting a widespread lack of basic vehicle awareness. The test's shortcomings, memory versus understanding. Mark Trimby, CEO of RigTransfers, emphasizes that basic car care is as critical as driving competence. However, the current testing system prioritizes rote memorization over practical understanding. The Show Me, Tell Me portion, designed to assess safety knowledge, often relies on reciting correct answers rather than demonstrating genuine comprehension. Knowing why you check tire tread depth or how to respond to spongy brakes is far more important than simply answering a test question, Trimby explains. The system allows individuals to pass with minimal understanding of essential maintenance procedures, increasing the risk of preventable accidents. Beyond safety, fuel anxiety and vehicle choice, the knowledge gap extends beyond mechanical upkeep. A 2023 Motor Ombudsman survey revealed that nearly 1/3 of young drivers feel unsure about choosing a vehicle or fuel type. Over 62% experience refuel anxiety, demonstrating discomfort or uncertainty when refueling. These issues indicate that driving education often fails to equip new drivers with the broader skills needed for responsible vehicle ownership. Shared responsibility. Who should educate new drivers? The study suggests a consensus that education should be shared. Almost 60% of participants believe driving instructors and parents or guardians should jointly teach essential car maintenance knowledge. Nearly 1/4, 23%, advocate for incorporating these topics into the driving test itself. Accident statistics. The real-world impact, the data reinforces the need for improved education. 1 in 3 drivers experience an accident within a year of passing their test, with 1 in 5 incidents occurring within the first 6 months. These statistics suggest a direct correlation between inexperience, lack of vehicle knowledge, and increased accident risk. Conclusion: the study underscores a critical gap in current driving education. While road skills are emphasized, essential car ownership knowledge is often overlooked. Strengthening education through shared responsibility between instructors, parents, and potential curriculum updates could significantly improve driver preparedness, reduce accidents, and promote safer roads.